Yeah. I just wanted to mention, that before the game, my ankle was a little injured, and I decided to play through it, and then I tackled him, Toby, and he landed on my ankle and destroyed it. Budnick said, Toby, said Budnick's absence had an impact. Now, just so you know, I'm just like any other father. You issue a dissolution of marriage. As a father, I feel like, I should be suing all of those that are legally liable for my sons being in a football game. Now, it's nice that Bishop did the tackling. Yes. Uh-huh. But the problem was, as I said, I wanted them out of the Quilcene School District. Now, um, there's probably a really good reason why you're refusing to enforce the laws. Yes. Why don't you tell me what that is? Because um, he shouldn't have an injury when I told you, to give me custody of them. Now you're still thinking that I'm going to motion the court. Is that right, Brent? Is there a judge in Clallam County that thinks I'm going to motion that court? Yes. To remove that protection order and that dissolution of marriage? Did you want me to participate in your crime? Is that what you want me to do? You want me to tell the judge, this is Clallam County right now, that this is just okay. You can do what you're doing. You thought I wasn't going to sue you. Yes. You were sure that I wasn't going to have you prosecuted. And I'm going to motion the court, that never gave me any notice of court hearings, that issued a protection order where I was not given any due process, and then you arrested me for multiple crimes, right, when I wasn't in those cities right now. And then you're going to sit there, again today, and act like I'm going to motion the court. Is that what you're going to do? You're just going to continue to believe that I'm going to motion that court. Now, how do you think I'm going to get this removed? I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue every school district in the state of Washington because you refuse to acknowledge the requirements of the law when issuing court orders. Now, this, protection order. It wasn't. It wasn't the sheriff's department that served me. Yes, somebody decided to serve me in the Squim Public Library, and I'm thinking the individual wasn't a sheriff, since they didn't have the legal right to serve me. What makes you think that I'm not going to sue you? Well, since Heidi, did or did not motion the court. Oh, this minor named Bishop Budnick at the age of 12, right, is the one that received the ankle injury, because of playing football. Now, you had to have jurisdiction to issue the protection orders. I'm not going to motion the court. You're going to have to remove it. You have no available means of doing anything other than removing your fraud. There is nothing you can do. Now, I thought you would have my sons contact me. Yes. About the false arrest and false imprisonment. Yeah. I thought you would have my sons contact me because you can't have two no contact orders at the same time. I thought that you would have my sons contact me, right, because you were going to remove this fraudulent mental health evaluation, for a crime where you have the evidence that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington. Now, we're going to need you in law enforcement to do what you're paid to do, and you're needing to do it today. That means that you're going to need to remove this. See, I wasn't in Jefferson County. You have the videos of that day? Yeah. And then you have the emails that I sent? Yes. And the other million emails from the time I got out of jail until you, well, I wasn't cyber stalking, right? And I wasn't violating the protection order. Now, see where it says no contact, domestic violence, no contact protection order violation? Yes, they're very similar. You can have a no contact order issued, yes, as a condition of probation. Oh, as a condition of personal recognizance. Oh, now it's usually either probation or personal recognizance because if you're not on personal recognizance and you're on trial, where are you at? You're in jail.